So I have in here my shea butter, stearic acid, EWAS, and coconut oil, and I'm doing my double boiler method to melt this into liquids. Okay, all right. So the shea butter, coconut oil, EWAS, stearic acid has melted and combined nicely. And what I'm doing now is adding distilled water. So this distilled water temperature is equal to the oil temperature. So I'm just going to be mixing it until, or stirring it, yeah, that's the correct word, stirring it until it cools down and thickens, so we get our base cream ready. And hey, if it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my returnees, thank you also for coming through for me each and every time I post a video. And please do well to like, share, and subscribe if it's your first time here. Okay, all right. So this is not a long video, so please keep watching. As you can see now, I'm just mixing it to enable it to cool down very quickly, and you can see it has started thickening. Okay, so that is it. And after, I'm just going to be adding preservative. Don't worry about the bubble. If you have alcohol, 100% alcohol, you can spray it on the top, so you not see any bubbles on top. But it's just because I'm mixing, that's why the bubble is popping. But when I'm done, there will be no bubbling on top of it. Okay, so you can see this has started thickening, and this is how I'm going to go about it until this thickening, and our beige cream is just going to be ready. So after, I'm going to be adding my preservative, okay, and which will keep it for a longer time. And also you can add your glycerin vitamin E into it. This I did not add that because I want to add it whilst I'm mixing my cream. Okay, and stay tuned, I'll be mixing our body cream in our next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video to this end, and please do well to share with friends and family. It might help someone out there who want to know how to make base cream. Okay, and yeah, like as well. All right, so catch you in my next one. Bye bye. Please keep watching.